How to reset check engine light without disconnecting battery. There are only 3 ways to go about resetting the check engine light without disconnecting the battery. 1. Keep driving and let it go off by itself. After covering a certain distance, the car engine computer would automatically recheck the cause of illumination. With any luck, the reassessment would turn off the light. You can try this method for 3 days. If the check engine light remains turned on for more than 3 days of normal driving, consider switching to other methods. 2. Turn the car ignition on and off 3 times. Another way to reset check engine light without tapping into effort requiring techniques is restarting the car 3 times. Put the key in the ignition, turn it on and then off. The very next second, repeat the process. Repeat once more to complete 3 times in a row. Put the key again the 4th time and start the car. Drive for a while to see if the light turns off or not. This method proves effective in most cases. 3. Restarting the fuse of the car. Not applicable for new cars. You can try pulling off the fuse of the engine control unit found in the car fuse box. This will break the connection of the check engine light with the ECU engine control unit. Put the fuse back again after a minute and check whether the light turns on or not. The 3 methods to reset check engine light require no tool and no hard work. However, if these 3 methods don't work, then you may try the following methods. Now how to reset check engine light with disconnecting battery. Open the hood of the car and locate the battery. Remove both the positive and negative cables from the battery terminals. Press the horn for 30 seconds or switch on the car's lights if you wish to avoid the noise. This will drain all the electricity from the car's capacitor. You can do both to drain it faster. Wait for 15 minutes maximum. Reconnect the cables back to their terminals. This method removes all error codes and resets other electronic devices. If the check engine light is still on, it's best to seek professional help.